Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today excited to bring you an unboxing event of the AirPods 3. So this is the third generation, which looks like it's the AirPods Pro without the silicone tips and shorter stems. Okay, before I continue, I'd like to let you guys know I completely fund everything myself on this channel. So if you appreciate that, please do subscribe, give it a like and share it around, as it'll help me a lot. It's for free, it doesn't cost you anything. Let's get this unboxing straight underway. Now, this looks pretty much similar to the AirPods now. Let me get the AirPods box. So that's the AirPods. Actually, it's a tiny bit smaller. Yeah, tiny bit smaller. Okay, now let's put this aside for now. So that's basically it. The box, it's exactly the same, although you don't have like the AirPods Pro, you still had the plastic wrapping around it before Apple decided to take it out, which is a good thing. So let's get this unboxing underway. By the way, let me show you the back as well. So the back end is pretty much the same. Okay, let's try and do this with one end. Okay, by the way, this is MagSafe charging case. That's wireless charging case. I don't know if it works with MagSafe, but pretty sure it does. Let me know in the comments if you guys know the answer to that. Okay, so that's the paperwork there. No stickers, the manual. Okay, just letting you guys know that's an Apple gift card, as it says, and I got this one at the moment. Apple's giving out a free one, $35. Okay, so that's the AirPods third generation, and okay, no wire, no cable, nothing. Oh no, yes, so that's the cabling in the back. So now you'll see that it's USB-C to Lightning. Okay, so USB-C to Lightning. It would have been nice to see USB-C to USB. I don't know why they're holding on to this relic. Everyone else is going to change and Apple's going to do it in the end, but that's basically it. Let me show you guys the unboxing of the AirPods Pro. It's about the same. I think this is a tiny bit smaller. You have a bit more with the extra tips here, and it's a tiny bit different in here. You've got the USB-C to Lightning charger as well here. Okay, so that's basically it. So that's how it looks, the AirPod Pro box. Let me get that out of the way, and I'll let you guys know as well if you guys want to see the proper unboxing of the AirPods Pro. I've got it out on my channel and heaps more. Please do look around and have a look of it and let me know what you guys think. Anyways, let's get this unboxing underway. Now let's try and do this in the honest, straightforward method, which is not wrecking it completely. Okay, I don't think you can. Anyways, that's good enough. Now this is rubbery. Okay, feels a bit rubbery instead of plastic. I'm not sure if that's plastic, but the cheaper ones, they're gone. So let me get this out. See that just feels a tiny bit different to this. This feels a bit smoother to touch. This one, the new ones, they feel like they're a bit more durable and they're meant to last a bit more. Okay, all right, let's open this up. All right, so that's the AirPods in its case. So it's got the MagSafe charging case. It looks really different, eh? It looks a bit weird without the silicone tips. And it's got the press stems to it as well. It's ready for being paired. In everything else, it looks like an AirPods Pro, except for those things. It does feel a bit cheap as well. It doesn't feel quite as well as an AirPods Pro, and the case feels a bit tiny as well. All right, that's basically it. Let me know what you guys think about this review and what you guys want me to pair this up against. Thank you so much for watching to the end. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Take good care. Bye bye.